Is there a way to fix the issue of not being able to share someone's story to my story?
Hey there, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle an issue that's been bothering many of us on Instagram. It's about not being able to share someone's story to our own story. This seems like a simple feature, but when it doesn't work, it can be really frustrating. Don't worry, we're here to help.
Why can't I share someone's story?
Before diving into the solution, it's crucial to understand why this problem might be happening. Generally, you might not be able to share someone's story to your own because the person who posted the story has disabled the resharing feature. Instagram allows users to control who can share their stories to enhance privacy.
How can I know if the resharing feature is disabled?
Here's how you can know if someone has disabled their story sharing. 1. Open their story and look for the paper airplane symbol or "Add this to your story" option. 2. If it's missing, then they likely disabled the resharing feature. Keep in mind that the decision to enable or disable this feature lies with the person who posts the story. You cannot change it.
How can I share someone's story if the feature is enabled?
If the person has enabled the resharing feature, here's a step-by-step guide on how you can share their story to your own. 1. Open the story you want to share. 2. Tap on the paper airplane symbol. 3. Click on "Add this to your story." 4. Edit it if you wish and then hit "Share." It's as simple as that.
What if I still can't share?
If you've confirmed that the person allows resharing, but you're still not able to share their story, then there might be an issue with your Instagram app. Here are some troubleshooting tips. 1. Update your Instagram app. Sometimes, bugs in the app can lead to such issues. Make sure your app is up to date. 2. Reinstall the Instagram app. If updating the app doesn't help, try uninstalling and then reinstalling it. This can help reset any faulty settings. 3. Contact Instagram support. If you're still facing the issue, consider contacting Instagram support. They're usually pretty good at resolving such issues. And that's all, folks. Hopefully, by now you have a better understanding of how to share someone else's story to your own story on Instagram, and what to do if you face any problems. Remember, the ability to share depends on the user's settings, and if you can't share, it's likely due to their privacy preferences. Happy Instagramming!